In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Mailchimp sign-up form in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace site and head to the page where you want the form to appear. Enter editing mode by clicking Edit so you can make changes on the page. We'll place the form in its own area to keep things clean and easy to style. So add a new section, then choose a blank layout. A blank section gives you full control and prevents extra design elements from interfering with your form. Inside that new section, add a block. In the block picker, search for code, then select the code block. This is important because Mailchimp provides an embed snippet that needs to be pasted as HTML, and the code block is the right place for it. You'll see a placeholder like Hello World inside the code block. Click into that placeholder to highlight it and replace it with your Mailchimp embed code. You can copy this from your Mailchimp audience's sign-up form settings. Paste the entire snippet as is so the form fields, labels, and any required scripts are included. If your embed includes inline styles, leave them in for now. You can always refine styling later with Site CSS. Make sure the block is set to code and not Markdown, and keep the display option as HTML so the form renders correctly. If your site template supports it, you may see an option to preview the code safely. Use Preview in safe mode to test without running potentially conflicting scripts. This helps you confirm that the form loads, the fields look correct, and any consent text you configured in Mailchimp appears as expected. If the form doesn't display immediately in the editor, don't worry. Some scripts render only in Preview or on the live page. Save your changes to lock in the embed, then exit the editor. View the page on the front end to confirm the form is visible and functional. It's a good idea to submit a quick test with a non-critical email address to make sure submissions reach your Mailchimp audience, the confirmation flow works, and any double opt-in you've enabled behaves properly. From here, you can revisit the section or code block anytime to adjust spacing, add a heading above the form, or refine styling. But the core embed is done. You created a blank section, inserted a code block, replaced the placeholder with your Mailchimp embed, previewed safely, saved, and exited. That's all you need to start collecting